Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskiy said Russia must stop bombing Ukrainian cities before meaningful talks on a ceasefire could start, as the first round of negotiations this week had yielded scant progress. Speaking in an interview in a heavily guarded government compound, Zelenskyy urged NATO members to impose a no-fly zone to stop the Russian Air Force, saying this would be a preventive measure and not meant to drag the alliance into war with Russia. Zelenskyy, who has refused offers to leave the Ukrainian capital as Russian forces advanced, also said Ukraine would demand legally binding security guarantees if NATO shut the door on Ukraine's membership prospects. Setting out his conditions for further talks with Russia, Zelenskyy told Reuters and CNN in a joint interview, "It's necessary to at least stop bombing people. Just stop the bombing and then sit down at the negotiating table." Just as he was speaking, news emerged that a Russian missile had struck a TV tower near Holocaust Memorial Site in the Ukrainian capital, killing at least 5 people. Early on Tuesday, missiles struck the heart of the eastern city of Kharkiv.